Hi, this is the Thule 916 EuroPower 2-cycle carrier. It's designed for carrying electric bikes. It has a capacity of 30 kilos per bike, total capacity 60 kilos. The first thing you need to do is fit the upright. Slide that loosely into place, fit one bolt each side, and then slot the arm down, fit the flat washer, locking knob, and finally the locking nut. The idea of this nut is just so that you can't unscrew the knob too far and lose it. Same on the other side, flat washer, locking knob, and the nut. Tighten the two handles, and that's effectively the carrier assembled. The only thing left to do is to add the two rubber rings to the front wheel support straps. These are simply to hold the excess strap out of the way when you're using the carrier so that the strap doesn't obscure the number plate. To fit the carrier onto the car, you would slide this outer cover so that it's on the red setting. You can then lift the handle and then the carrier is ready to be lowered onto the car. When you lower it down onto the ball, pull the cover back, green signifies it's in the right location, turn the key and the carrier is locked on. Just make one small point here. When the handle is in the vertical position for loading, the key gets very close to the top of the ball mounting. No problem with just one or two keys on there, but if you have got a bunch of keys on, it can bend and break the key because of the limited space there. Just put the handle back and go round to the other side and show you how the number plate is fitted. Underneath each light unit you will find a clip for the number plate. Quite stiff plastic, so it can be as easy to break these off with a screwdriver. Insert the number plate into the guides at the bottom and then clip in the clip for the number plate in the lower set of holes. I'll now stand the carrier back up again. All that remains now is to fit the two frame supports. Fit the supports wherever it's convenient on the frame of the carrier. Round, tube over the clamp, and that's ready to tighten to the first bike. And in the same way for the second bike. The longer arm has a locking knob on it for securing the bikes to the carrier. It's the same key as for the lock for the carrier to the car.